Yes, guys, banana peppers. They are everywhere.
So they leave us here for a little while. We pick and they come back after us. So I got to get busy. These are sweet roaster peppers. Look at the size of these guys. I mean, look, all under here. Oh, they're twisted in there, but I want those peppers. I don't want those to ruin. Look at this. I'm talking. Look at this. People don't pick underneath lots of times. I mean, this is where I'm finding my peppers. Under everybody else picks the top. My goodness, look at that. So we're going to fill a bucket with the roasters. And Danny's over here with the, what is these you're picking? Sweet Gypsy?
I'm picking Gypsy and roaster.
Look at those. Oh, there's some orange ones. I got to get over there and get those orange ones. That just, we like color. Sunflowers. Sky. It is looking awesome in the field right now. Okay, guys, they have walkways ever so often. They have down plastic. It's healed up. They also have stakes, and as you can see, string holding them up. And it's irrigated. So, and look at the peppers. You can definitely pick a peck of peppers in a heartbeat here. Lots and lots of peppers. So if you don't have food, guys, look at this. Isn't that awesome? You know what we're going to be doing? Cutting up peppers.
Nobody picked right here because
We have 3 buckets here. In this bucket, most of them are sweet peppers, and they're huge. They're even bigger than this down inside, and we just fill into the top. We've kind of shook them down enough that we can get as many. These are the gypsy peppers. We found some bales down in there. Danny has gypsies, plus he has the sweet roasters, and we have gypsies, sweet roasters, and bales all in the same. We've kind of combined it all 3, shook them down. $11 a bucket. So we are making sure our buckets are full. And Danny's still picking.
nobody goes inside.
That's true.
Nobody gets down inside the plant.
They pick on the ends, and we went on down middle ways of both of these and some of these over here, the sweet bananas. And guys, it's beautiful out here, but it's going to get hot in about an hour. So we wanted to be through before it gets that hot. We're just adding a few to the top to finish out. Like I said, we want to have a good bucket full when we head in. And hopefully the guy will come sometime soon to pick us up. Otherwise, we're standing here for a while. So what do you think?
a lot of fields of stuff. We've probably seen more peas that'll get wasted out here than we'll ever grow. It's astronomical. You can pick 25-gallon bucketfuls of peas in probably 10 minutes.
And never make a dent.
And never make a dent. I mean, and they're just sitting there going to waste.
Somebody will come back. There's
nobody picking them.
I know, but they pick themselves at some point, but there'll be a lot wasted.
They're going to be a lot wasted, yeah. I mean, you take these peppers here, there's hundreds and hundreds of peppers here just going to go to waste. I mean, they definitely got the system to grow them. I mean, there's irrigation under this, I'm sure, and fertilization of some kind.
And they've got it mounded up.
Yeah, because here's the irrigation pipe right here. Right there. So they do irrigate them.
And they've got it mounded.
On black plastic.
The only reason it's so muddy is it rained heavy yesterday.
Yeah.
I mean, other than that, this would have been dry. You could have walked on sand, basically. For the most part, it would have looked like this road, except that the heavy downpour. And they have fields over there. What is all that, tomatoes?
Yep.
All that way. Tomatoes as far as you can see. And we passed okra, sunflowers. What else did we see? The peas, the okra.
Snap beans.
They had snap beans, but looked like their snap beans were about through. I don't know how many they would have had. But guys, phenomenal. If you need something to eat, there's no excuse. Find a U Pik It near you. Little creatures' feet. And what is this, baby?
Armadillo.
See
where his tail drug right here in the...
Okay, so see feet prints, his tail drug.
Right down through the middle of it. You see right where his tail drug.
So Danny's showing you guys what to look for when you have an armadillo problem. If you see this, you need to get him. What do armadillos eat?
Anything but what they ought to.
Plus they dig your place up, right?
They dig your place up. They eat all kind of junk.
Here comes our ride. Not too soon for Danny. What time is it, baby?
6:55.
Okay, so we're going to be out of here a little after 7. It'll take us a few minutes to ride back, but here comes the ride. Feels you better have rubber boots on, or else you're going to look like Danny. I knew to wear my sloggers.